how to transfer your videos to Dropbox on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your videos to Dropbox on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in top corner. Click on it and go down, click settings and go down. Here you will find transfer, copy of your information, and now click next and then just click Dropbox and go to photos and click none, and here you can transfer only your videos and then click next and connect. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.